Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to activate Robinhood Debit card. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the first thing would be is just to have your spending account first. That means all you need to do is just to have funds in your Robinhood account. And as you can see, all you will need to do is to sign up. And basically, by signing up, you are creating an account. And after that, you will need to sign up for the Robinhood Cash Card and spending account. So after that, you will need to complete the signing up by verifying your identity and many other things. And after that, you will need to fund this account. And of course, to fund your account, either you can set up a direct deposit by having a paycheck from your paycheck or whatever. So just having direct deposit directly to your spending account in Robinhood, or you can have transfer fund by linking your bank account to your Robinhood, and then you can start transfer money from there to there. So after that, you will need to activate your Robinhood cash card or the debit card. And basically, you will need just to go to the spending tab in your application, which is the money icon. And after that, you will need just to click on get spending. After that, you will activate your card and basically that's it. If you want, you can turn on the spend alerts into your location protection if you would like. And basically that's it. You have many other optional things that you can do, for example, to link your accounts with your debit card. But of course, it will have also some limitation. So as you can see, your cash card will have some spending limitations as you can see. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.